Alright guys, here's a tour of my 68-inch snap-on epiq. Over here on the top, I got the stuff for the power drawer in the box. I never set it up. I don't care to, probably never will. Put my laptop for work here. This is just stuff I don't use every day. I keep in here. All my 6-point chrome sockets are in here. In the back's 3/8 drive or a 1/2-inch drive, 12-point impact sockets. Most of them are Pittsburgh. Some of them's Tecton though. And I got the 6-point chrome. These are all Tecton. 12-point chrome Tecton. I got 6-point 3/8 drive Tecton chromes. 1/4-inch drive snap-ons. Those are 6-point. 1/2-inch drive icon wobble extensions. There's some big 6 and 12-point ones. Those are Tecton as well. Over here to the metric side, 1/2-inch drive wobble impacts. These are a set I picked up about 3 months ago. I never used them yet. I haven't had a place where I could use them. They're magnetic swivel impact sockets from Matco. I like this set. I bought it for mainly the 10mm, but it didn't have a 10mm in it, so it is what it is. 6-point 1/4-inch. Those are snap-ons. Snap-on 3/8 metric 6 points. 6-point chrome Tectons, and these are all Tecton back here. 12-point 1/2-inch drive, and all these are mixed between Pittsburgh and Tecton, chrome and 6-point. They're all the metric sockets over there. That's it for this drawer. I'm down to the wrench drawer. That's where I keep all the wrenches I don't use every day, you know. We'll just start over here since we're over here. The bigger metric wrenches. These are some Icon stubby ratcheting wrenches. Some Sunex Half Moon wrench set. These are the Icon double boxed in ratchet wrenches. There's an S-shaped Icon wrenches. Some Matco line wrench set. Some regular gear wrench wrenches, or gear wrench ratchet wrenches. Tecton 4-way angle wrench set. This is a standard and metric Capri thin, super thin wrenches. Here's the SAE. Got the SAE line wrenches, 15/16 ratchet wrench. Tecton 4-way angle head wrenches. Some regular gear wrenches. I got the set of Mountain double boxed in wrenches. S-shaped wrenches. Here's the regular bigger stubbies, Sunex, and then some flex head, or not flex head, excuse me, the straight ratchet wrenches, stubbies from Icon. I'll get the Nipix pliers wrench in there, another crescent wrench, and these are some spare snap-ons I got. Made a couple, ground a couple down for getting some applications. Third long drawer. Got some pliers I don't use all the time in here. Got some hammers I don't use all the time in here. Pipe wrenches, little wire brush. Some bigger ladies' feet. More punches and chisels, brass punches. Some bigger hose picks. Spare screwdrivers, snap-on ratcheting screwdriver. Here's some cheap Harbor Freight Pittsburgh Allen keys. Snap-on punch set. And back here in the back, I got a 1/2-inch drive snap-on breaker bar. Flex head, 1/2-inch drive snap-on. There's a 3/8 drive. What's that have? Excuse me, 1/2-inch drive Tecton breaker bar. Old air hammer bits. A whole bunch of adapters and fittings. I got some magnetic socket inserts in there as well. Some thumb ratchets. 1/4-inch snap-on ratchets, some spare extensions. They're just miscellaneous. A few snap-on, a few Pittsburgh, Tecton. I think that's it. All that's in there. Some longer 1/2-inch drive extensions and 3/8. Got some of these spoon pick sets from snap-on. Just some spare snap-on ratchets. I mean, I keep them for specialty reasons because you never know when I need an application for a ratchet like that, but I haven't had to use it yet. And I bought a locking flex head 3/8 snap-on ratchet. Forgot I even had that. Some micro screwdrivers. Here is just like my utility drawer. Some turbo sockets from Blue Point. Max stubby Allen sockets. Some Icon snap ring pliers. Here's some snap-on E-Torx drill bits. One hose pinch off pliers, the other's in my car. Got some K-Tool strip Torx and Allen head removers. So there's a rocket socket twist sockets, and those are Blue Point twist sockets. Some cage bolt sockets, some disconnect pliers for like doing Huey pump connections and oil coolers, and transmission cooler return lines, fuel line sockets, AC disconnect clips, blowgun, scraper, O2 sensor sockets, piston ring, mover and installer pliers. There's my bigger crow's feet and my 3/4 inch sockets. Got a Forma funnel in here. This is like my oil drawer. Got some Davco filter wrenches. Here's my utility drawer. Got some spare parts in here. 3/4 inch Great Pneumatic Impact heat gun, rigid drill and bit driver, multimeter, load pro, spare parts, hose clamps, fuses, test leads, stuff like that. Down here, I got a gear wrench, slide hammer and puller set. That's a snap-on with threading set. Battery tester. Underneath it's an inspection camera, infrared thermometer, it's an O2 sensor socket set. There's a Matco bushing installer set in there. Icon 1/2 and 3/8 torque wrenches. The tap and die set underneath my U-joint pullers for heavy duty U-joint pullers. 3/8 angle meter, trailer plug tester, Power Pro 5 with the short finder. And here's the power drawer I don't use. Just got some chargers in there. My flashlight's charging. Got some longer hex bits I don't use. Never use that pass-through socket set. I got a Sunex set of low profile sockets in there I ain't never used. Some miscellaneous pullers, buffing wheels, stud puller. This is a cool little guy right here. You can use this to push out tubes of silicone, and it gets everything out of the tube. Got some brake spring tools for eating brakes in there. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.